Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can send videos as documents in WhatsApp. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and also subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to the topic. Please open the WhatsApp app on your phone. After which you will need to go to the chat section at the bottom. Now select the conversation partner you want to send a video to. After which on the left side at the bottom, tap on the plus sign. Now select the documents. And next select from photo or video. And then you can find a video. And send it as a document. By doing this video, it will not lose its quality as it could happen when you send the video normally. So, when you have selected a video, you can add some caption if you want. And click on the share button or the send button. And as you can see, this video has been sent as a document. Friends, this is the very simple way you can easily and quickly send videos as documents in WhatsApp. I really hope this video has helped you a lot. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.